We're at the 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. The 2800 Taylor in Dallas, Texas. Hey, we're about to see their one bedroom model. We're going to do two things. One is we're going to do a detail walkthrough. That's going to be two videos, and this is going to be part one of that video. But we're also going to do a couple of maybe quick walkthroughs that last about a minute. So you can watch either one, whichever you prefer. This is really new. It looks really pretty out here. This is what the hallways look like. And by the way, there's a lot of storage that's available too, like behind these doors. Not that one, but there's a lot of storage that is available. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Now let's walk in and see the 2800 Taylor one bedroom. It's going to be great. So now, oh wow, I think you're gonna love this. Look, okay, so first of all, you got this great island, this mud room. And then you have the island here. So both of them are awesome. This island is very big. It's probably 10 feet or more, even 10, 12 feet tall or wide. It's really good. Really pretty kitchen. I mean, look at it. It's just got so many cabinets. It's so super pretty. It's got this French door look and feel. And then look at this, just phenomenal. It's really, really pretty. It's going to have a lot on the other side of the island too. It's going to have that microwave. It's going to have a wine fridge and more storage here. So storage for your dishes and everything else, check. Beautiful kitchen, check. Light, bright, feel, farmhouse, sink, check. Everything's pretty here at the 2800 Taylor in this one bedroom. I love also saying this is a built-in desk that's over here. This is very nice, and this floor plan is really cool because you do have space to add this island and things like this. This is really, really cool. I love, oh God, that piece is so cool. It's modern and yet retro with the wood. That's a really cool piece. Look at this over here. This is a really large living area. You can have they have a mini sectional that's here. You can see there's a lot of space for a lot of fun. So this is part one of the 2800 Taylor model tour of their one bedroom. Let's take a second video. We're going to walk and take our time in the bedroom and bath. If you have questions about the 2800 Taylor, or you're ready to see maybe a Zoom tour right away, or even a live tour, I'll set that up for you right away. You can text no matter what time of the day it is right now, and I'll get that set up for you right away. Or if you want to ask questions about Dallas apartments, I'll also get that information to you right away. Hey, let's take a look now and go inside and look at the bedroom and bath. Let's do that right now.